Hello, this is day 5 of startup. So yesterday I made a video about how I believe that going deeper in tech is actually a great way to cut competition, which is actually supported by what I'm seeing right now in America. Probably because American people are very good naturally at sales, but do not want to. They see techies as nerds. So really, this is probably the revenge of the nerds like us. But anyways, that's all good. And for me myself, like I studied like where I should belong, and I finally decided, like, or at least for now, I am planning to look deeper into the AI interpretability. So it's an upcoming field. It has a lot of potential applicability in the future because AI models are totally black boxes inside, and that really limits their understanding and deployment. And a subfield of interpretability is explainability, where business people also want more explanation behind why these decisions are being made by the AI before they can trust and actually act on those decisions. So interpretability and explainability are, I think, going to be huge. And I love these fields because they also have a lot of incremental value potential and also ways to uh, find a niche problem in a vertical. So all of this good, but as I started to look into deeper into the research of interpretability and talk to people, so one of my friends, for example, sent me this paper which recently came out yesterday, like this amazing paper, and I saw the paper and it's just written by one person. So I get very curious, like how only a single person is writing this paper, and this guy is from Google Brain. And so I go look at his profile, and it seems like he did PhD, like BSc and PS whatever, BSc and PhD in mathematics from MIT, like been in the field of mathematics since last 15 years, or I may not be exact there, but yeah, let's say 15 years. And since 2017 he has been working in AI. In mathematics also, he has been working on the mathematical physics. So he got particularly attracted by difficult mathematical problems in physics, and he spent most of his time there. So I can imagine, when I imagine this guy, that he has been learning this, what I'm trying to learn now, these mathematical frameworks, background, the basic understanding, fundamental understanding, probably 15 years ago. And then he learned all about applications, and then he learned about applications in AI pretty early on, 2017. Yeah. And then, like, as I was doing again my own reading, I found one very interesting blog by a guy. I think I remember his name, Ko Ola. His second name is Ola, and he's one of the founders of Anthropic. So Anthropic, if you know, it's the company that runs Claude AI, the biggest competitor to ChatGPT. So now this blog, like, I read a particular, came across. I cannot say I read it because I think it will take me at least probably many days to understand what he's written in that single blog. But there was a blog about some kind of manifold mathematics for understanding, interpreting machine learning at a very small scale. Now, just his blog, to understand it itself, will take me so many days or months. I don't know right now. And this guy is there working in interpretability, just like the last guy. So, yeah, I mean, I do get these serious thoughts, like, what am I doing now? Am I really there for this? But then, like, I thought more deeply about this. I was in sales tech before, and I wasn't particularly good at sales. And there were people working for years and years, like they have 15 years of leading sales teams, building sales organizations, leading teams of hundreds of salespeople who are making cold calls every day. And you can imagine the breadth and depth of experience they have in that. On the technology front, of course, it was a little simpler, but that product was completely dependent on how well you understand the user, which are cold callers, the salespeople. but I don't know, somehow I ignored that competition part there. One of the reasons is probably when there are so many people who are competition, like hundreds and thousands, then you probably shut down that part. You just focus on yourself, what you're doing, what value you're bringing. But when the competition is just like few people, you can see them, you can know about their profiles, it's all out there, their work is out there, as research papers they publish and as their blogs they write. You kind of get more narrowed on comparing yourself with the competition. So I believe this is the problem. Now of course the problem still remains, how will I compete? But I think it's too early to look at that. For now I need to just explore this field further, find the nuances of it, who are there, what problems are open, what solutions are coming, and then find an angle, and that will, I think, come with this understanding of how can I overcome some of the disadvantages that I have right now. So yeah, that journey will continue, and it will be, I think I'll vlog about it. It's this channel is like my diary, so I'll keep it updated here. But for now, yeah, I just want to acknowledge that I do feel super intimidated by the competition that is there in this field, by these super smart people who, I mean, like what they probably write without thinking much in a Twitter, in a tweet or a blog post, I have to for now spend many days or months to even understand that. But let's see how quickly I learn before even trying, before even getting some data on the speed with which I progress. I think it's too early to just run away. Let's see.